Here at EROAD, we've made it easier for help to arrive if you've been in a serious collision or rolled over. The new Collision and Rollover Alert, CaRA, sends emergency alerts to you and your designated first responder when your company vehicle has been involved in a serious collision or rollover incident. There are 3 key benefits. 1. Delivers emergency alerts. Emails are sent to key company contacts and your designated first responder. 2. Sends alerts 24/7. Notifies your preferred response service to enable them to dispatch emergency medical assistance to the scene of the serious collision or rollover incident. 3. Driver assurance. Drivers can be confident that in the event of a serious collision or rollover incident, relevant authorities are alerted and help is dispatched thereafter. At EROAD, CaRA and our suite of health and safety products enable safer, more productive roads.